Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with your paired devices unlocked and next to each other. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap My Watch. This is where Apple centralizes clock controls, so you don't need to poke the Watch UI yet. If your goal is a different time zone rather than a display offset, make sure to go to iPhone settings, right arrow general, right arrow date and time, and toggle automatic off so you can set the time or choose a time zone manually. Once done, return to the Watch app. Now, in the Watch app, tap Clock. You'll see the option to set a watch face offset from 0 to 59 minutes. Use the picker to increase or decrease the displayed minutes. You do this when you want the watch to show a different time without changing system time, useful for being intentionally early or late. Remember, this offset only alters what appears on the watch face. The underlying system time and alarms still follow your iPhone's actual time. Make sure the selection is saved before closing the app. Finish by glancing at your Apple Watch face to confirm the new display time. Press the digital crown if it doesn't update immediately. If the offset didn't apply, restart both the watch and iPhone and verify both run the latest software. Outdated builds can block settings sync. If you intended to change the actual clock for all functions, go back to iPhone settings, right arrow general, right arrow date and time, and set the time or time zone manually. Otherwise, the watch will always mirror the iPhone system time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.